Bighorn Trail Network. Oh, right leg up to the main. Mr. Jones. Did you eat those candy bars? Did you eat those candy bars? You are flying.
Don't wanna wait till tomorrow. Why put it off another day? One by one, little problems build up and stand in our way. One step ahead, one step behind it. Now you gotta run to get even. Make future plans, I dream about yesterday. Hey, come on, turn this thing around right now. Hey, so tomorrow, right now, come on, it's everything. Right now, take your magic moment, do it right here and now. It means everything. You miss a beat, you lose a rhythm, and nothing falls into place. Now, only missed by a fraction. Slipped a little on your pace. The more things you get, the more you want. Just trading one for the other. Working so hard to make it easy. Wow, got to turn. Come on, turn this thing around.
Hey, you have that noise like the PL
So
Carbon.
tomorrow,
Turn the leg off his Canadian friend.
it's everything. Right now, it's that magic moment. Do it right here and now.
Riding like he's ready for a bowl of clam chowder.
Sit like what are you waiting for? Yeah.
Somebody's legs are feeling good today.
Hey, so tomorrow, come on, it's everything. Catch that magic moment and do it right now. It's what's happening.
Finally? You savage. Oh, that is wicked. Oh, wow.